Article on making a pendant from natural agate. Agate is a popular and beautiful mineral that has been used to create jewelry pieces for centuries. One of the most popular types of agate jewelry is the pendant. In this article, we will go through the steps involved in making a pendant from natural agate. Step 1. Processing with a coarse grinding tool. The first step in making an agate pendant is to process the rough stone with a coarse grinding tool. This process involves removing the outer layer of the stone and shaping it into a rough form of the desired pendant. This can be done using specialized tools or a bench grinder with a rough grit grinding wheel. It is important to be patient and methodical during this step to ensure that the final product is symmetrical and visually appealing. Step 2. Refining the edges. Once the rough form of the pendant is created, the next step is to refine the edges and shape the stone into the desired design. This can be done using a Dremel or similar rotary tool with a fine grinding attachment. The goal at this stage is to create a smooth and polished surface on the stone. Step 3. Polishing and buffing. The next step in creating the perfect agate pendant is to polish and buff the stone to give it a final finish. This can be done using a series of different grit sandpapers or polishing pads until the desired level of shine is achieved. The final buffing can be done with a soft cloth and polishing compound to give the pendant glossy finish. Step 4. Installing a faceted spindle eye. Finally, the last step is to install a faceted spindle eye in the center of the pendant. This step involves drilling a small hole in the center of the stone and setting the spindle eye with the desired number of facets. This can be done using specialized tools or by a professional jeweler. In conclusion, making an agate pendant can be a rewarding and therapeutic process for jewelry enthusiasts. With patience and care, a natural agate stone can be transformed into a beautiful and unique piece of jewelry that can be cherished for years to come.